This year, let's start slow, let's start present, and let's start with nature. Soft mornings, cool breeze, and a view that instantly slows you down. This 2026, New Year jumpstart tayo. Not loud, not rushed, but with a quiet car camping escape just near the city. Welcome to Splendor Hills Car Campsite. Dito lang yan sa Tanawan, Batangas, which is 2 hours away from Manila lang. Malapit lang siya pero pagdating mo dito, parang kusa nang bumabagal ang oras. Fresh air, open skies, at tanawin na walang kapantay. Diretso park ng car, simple tent setup, no schedules, no pressure, just you, nature, and the moment. Pwede kang maglakad, magmuni-muni, or just sit and enjoy the view. Because sometimes, doing nothing is everything. Then comes the golden hour. Soft light, warm tones, that calm feeling you didn't know you needed. Pagdating ng gabi, campfire glow, mahihinang usapan, simple meals, cooked under the stars. No distractions, just connection. Sa umaga, gigising ka sa lamig ng hangin at sa bundok na parang painting sa harap mo. Perfect for slow coffee, deep breaths, and setting intentions for the year ahead. If you're looking for a campsite that's car camping friendly, close to the city but feels worlds away, Splendor Hills Car Campsite is worth the visit. Until next travel, bye!